Hey guys, this is day 2. It's not as cloudy as you can see all up there. Things are looking better, but it's still too windy to fly right now. But check this out, man. If I left my wing like that, it would be all over the field. Unbelievable. Some people have all the luck. Now, I have no idea what that little bucket thing is for, but I'm going to ask when I get here. All right, we're going to shut down and go to the next one. Okay, and there's a picture of that trike buggy that was under the tarp yesterday. That's nice. Look at that, all chromed up. Trying to get a little bit better photos. That was the Bad Apple groups down there that we talked to yesterday with Miss Wet Spot. Trying to get a little bit better pictures for you today because there was so much noise yesterday. Actually, that wasn't the Bad Apple group. That's the Bad Apple group over here. So there's other people that I just talked to. Took the, when I said, "Are you Bad Apples?" They said, "Yes, we are." They lie. Okay. Ooh, fresh breeze. Packed up and ready to go. Yeah, that was the Bad Apple group right here. There they all are. Alrighty. Let's keep on going. Hey guys, look who we ran across. Don't trust the skinny chef, but he's the big muscular chef. We love this guy, but you just learned how to fly, right?
Yes, I actually finished school Wednesday. What, Saturday?
Saturday, yeah.
I purposely left all my gear at home so that I wouldn't be tempted to fly and be a casualty.
There's no casualties in PPG.
It would be if I was flying. Because I've actually not had a flight yet that's done without somebody in my ear.
Right.
So I have over 30 flights, but I have never done one by myself.
Good for you. I talk long, and you'll hear me screaming at you if you do something dumb.
Oh yeah.
What kind of are you backpacking or on trike or what?
I'm a foot launcher. I got the PAP set up with the 185. What is it? Mazda? What is it?
Yeah. Monster engine.
Yeah. 185, and then I got a Nubic Link 2 wing.
My boy's all in. He's spending more money than I made my first year. Holy cow! I got to learn how to cook.
Listen, for a guy that doesn't only makes about 40 grand a year, I done spent everything.
Well, when the free American spirit calls you up, buddy, and I started asking you for stuff for my keto diet without any carbs and sugar, you need to. I was 305. I'm down to 260, 250 actually.
Actually, I went from 250 down to like 228 now or 229. So yeah, I'm losing it thanks to school.
Cool. Thanks.
Running all day long.
There you go. Oh yeah, that kiting will kill you when you first start off.
Horrible.
That's why I like the trike. I kited on the trike.
I'm still recovering from all my bruises.
And on that note, we're going because it's getting ugly out here. But hey, man, this is your first flying. Great to meet you. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry about the weather yesterday, but it looks like it's getting better.
It was a little cold.
All right, bro. Be good. Thanks. Bye. Alrighty. So I thought people were taking off now. I'd stop and say hello to the snack lady because my wife, Ricky, needs coffee, and it smells great. What's your name?
Amanda.
What are you selling here, Amanda?
We're selling some chicken salad sandwiches, my homemade vegan chili.
Ooh.
We got oatmeal. It's a little late for oatmeal, but chips. That's about it.
There you go. Fly safe, and you can fly with snacks, or you can fly vegan. So just stop by and buy something from her, because look, man, she needs the money like the rest of us. There you go. Well, let's go find someone else. All right, guys, so we're here. I stopped at the paramotorprops.com and the oneupadventures.com. Looks like they got some fly product harnesses, and I have no idea about backpacks because I'm a fat trike guy. So
fly products.
What's your name? What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle?
Yep.
What are you selling? Tell me a little bit real quick about them.
So this is a fly
Okay, we're
products.
done. You spent all your time,
That's
Kyle.
fine.
No,
I'm done now.
go
That's
ahead.
good. You know what?
Go ahead, buddy.
It's a Fly Products Flash Cruiser.
Flash Cruiser?
Yep, Flash Cruiser. This can be set up for tandem or solo flying.
Nice.
Right now it's set up for tandem. You can still fly it solo like this. It just has an extra harness in it. You can mount any engine with a rider on this.
What's an engine with a rider?
The
What's that?
rider is this frame right here.
Oh, okay.
And this is also a rider frame. This has a Polini Thor 250 on it.
See, I'm a simple guy. You got to say frame or
Frame,
wheel.
yeah.
Okay.
But Thor 250 on this one and a Moster 185 on that one. And we use
Is that oil or a water cooler?
water cooler.
Nice.
Yep.
Does that really help with the two strokes? Because I'm a four stroke guy, obviously.
Well,
I don't
this
know.
one is it's a bigger engine, and they use these for slalom racing and tandems. That's really what it's
Okay.
for.
Well, very cool.
Yeah.
So what's the this can be mounted on that too? I mean,
Yep, I can
interchangeable?
take the harness off of that in about
Yeah.
30 seconds and mount it on here in a couple minutes.
Really nice.
Ready to go. And then I can also remove it and just foot launch it.
So what kind of thrust and stuff are we looking at on these?
About 155 or so. It depends on the time of day, when it gets ran, etc., etc.
Yeah, well,
But
ballpark,
This
yeah.
puts out, when we tested it on the stand, put out 196 pounds of thrust.
Wow, that's pretty good. I mean, when I had a trainer prop on my Green Eagle, it was like 190.
Yeah.
And then of course when I went to a better fin and all, you're up 250 and whatever. But still, I mean, that's huge, dude.
So yeah, no, this puts out 195, and we take passengers up on it. We actually use this for training as well. So we do tandem certification. So if you're a trike pilot or not a trike pilot, we're able to transfer you to become a trike pilot and then give you a tandem rating if your aptitude is up for it.
Yeah, so you offer training as well and all the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, we have beginner training, advanced training, tandem certification, and we also do adventure trips.
And where are y'all located?
Lake Wales, Florida.
Nice.
Yeah.
I just moved back to Florida. I did all the northern flying and all that because I was living in New York for work, so I'm just starting to get back around and whatnot. So ballpark, I don't want to commit you to price, but for a rig like this?
This one's going to run you anywhere between 12 and 13,000 for everything tandem ready to go.
All 3 wheels and everything, huh?
All 3 wheels and everything. Well, if you want the 3rd wheel, it's extra.
Oh, well.
Other than that.
Yeah. Well, that's understandable.
Yeah. If you buy the foot launch unit, it runs 7,400 to 7,800, depending on what you get on it. And then the Parajet is about...
that one over there is a Parajet?
Yep, that's about 8,250 as it sits.
And how does that compare to these motor-wise? Same motor?
Same motor.
Just different cage or whatever?
Just different frames. It's personal preference. It's about what you like. Fly what you like what you fly.
So it's paramotorprops.com, and what was the other one?
OneUpAdventures.com.
OneUpAdventures.com.
Yep.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks for talking with us.
Good talking to you.
I'll shoot you a link to the video if I ever get around to editing and making it.
Awesome.
Thanks,
Sounds
man.
good. Thanks.
Bye. Junkie.
Yeah. Oh, you're talking about when? Oh.
On your glider, where I set it down with your A's off.
Yeah.
If you pull that, that's how you can lay out.
Hey guys, I'm back here at the Bad Apples. Yesterday was windy and junky. Remember Mrs. Wet Spot? Did you say Wet Spot? That's the original Wet Spot. My wife.
I heard I stole your call sign.
See there? But she just came back in from doing some awesome flying. She's just about to do the strip for us. So I got her stripping. Da 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 da.
Oh yeah, it's not sexy.
Well, I never said I could sing. That was sexy, by the way, but I just can't sing.
Depends on who's looking.
So did you actually fly yesterday, too windy and everything, or you
No,
just today?
Just today. Yeah,
Very
I just
nice.
kited yesterday and kited today earlier, and then just flew.
Very cool.
Yeah,
What?
I was doing 70 miles an hour out and 43 coming.
Wow.
That's how much wind
43 miles. This woman is awesome, man.
No,
I mean, I fly 43 because I don't know what I'm doing. I open up the wing and it takes off, and then I start screaming like a little girl. She does it on purpose.
I did a good takeoff and landing. I was happy. So yeah, it was a really good flight, but it's so cold up there.
Outstanding.
Yeah, it's very cold.
Yeah, so you're going to stay the whole weekend, I assume?
No, I'm actually leaving tonight. I got to pick my daughter up at the airport at 11 tomorrow.
See, you women want all these kids, and then see what you get.
I know.
Coming back to bite you.
I know.
You should have listened to us men and said, no kids.
She's awesome. She's a pilot too.
Hey,
She's got a
oh, is she?
commercial multi-engine.
No kidding.
rating, and my son has his instrument. Working on his instrument.
Wow.
Rating, so, yep.
The aviation
Supposed to be
family.
airline pilot. Yeah.
Gotta love that.
I
But
know,
they
I'm
don't
doing
fly
my-
PPG like us.
I know.
Wussies.
My son wants to. He does. So.
Hey, so when you did your thing the other day, I said this is the one doing all the talking, but actually she's not. She's one of the more experienced ones. Do you do competitions too?
Oh no, I don't do.
No,
That's
no,
Leah.
that was Leah.
Is amazing.
Yeah, she
is.
was incredible. But so what was the blonde-headed lady that put it all together? When I said
Nicole.
talking, I meant.
Yeah, Nicole.
Yeah, well, she's around.
over there, but anyway.
Oh, is that her with the dog?
No.
No. Oh well, whatever. Okay, yeah, she
Nicole-
wants to take it
Nicole
off.
Put it together. Yeah. So. Yeah.
All right, kids. Well,
All right.
I appreciate, and I'll send you a link if I ever, you know.
You do something with it.
Yeah, I'll send it to Bad Eagles because I don't know you personally.
Yeah.
At least that's what I'm telling the wife.
Nice. Yeah, she looks really worried.
Yeah. See you later, man. Bye bye.